Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the updated method to set a custom sound specifically for topic notifications on the X app. If you've been wanting to personalize your alerts so you can instantly recognize when a topic notification comes in, this step-by-step process will make it simple and easy to do. Let's get started. First, pick up your phone and head straight into your device's main settings. This is where we'll manage all the apps and their notification preferences. Once you're inside settings, scroll until you find the section called Apps. Tap on that and you'll see a list of every app installed on your phone. Next, look for X app in that list and select it. This is where all of the app's detailed settings and permissions are stored. From here, tap on Notifications. This is where you control exactly how you receive alerts from the app. Now, you'll want to go deeper into the notification setup by selecting Notification Categories. Categories let you adjust specific types of notifications so you can treat them differently. In this case, scroll until you see the option labeled Topics. Tap on it to open up more choices. Inside the Topics section, look for the option that says Sound. Go ahead and tap it. Your phone will now show you a list of available tones and sounds. You can listen through them and choose the one that feels right for you. Whether you prefer a subtle chime, a short beep, or a more attention-grabbing tone, this is your chance to make your topic stand out in a way that feels personal. Once you've selected the sound you like best, make sure it's saved or confirmed. After that, you can exit back to your home screen. From now on, whenever you get a topics notification from the X app, you'll hear the sound you just set, making it instantly recognizable and easier to separate from your other alerts. And that's all it takes. In just a few quick steps, you've customized your X app topic notifications, giving yourself a more tailored and organized phone experience.